All right, we're on page 4. We're going to start off by taking this paper and we're going to divide into 4 sections, okay? Now, what I would like you to do is inside, okay, the gray cabinet, there are mannequins, all right? And I'd like you to kind of pull them out. You may either get the small one or the large one. All right, let me go and grab one. So I have a small one and I have a large one here, all right? Now, a couple little things about these. They are very, very delicate, okay? They are not meant to take their arms and swirl them around. They're not action figures. Should not be breaking them, okay? They're just to pose so you can draw. That's it. Same thing with this. I don't want to hear. Can you hear that? Yeah, that's the grinding of the metal in there. Please don't make them grind, okay? You can position them. That's absolutely fine. Okay, for this sake, I'm going to actually use this guy because he's kind of small and that's what I'm looking for. Now, as you can kind of see from this side, I'm going to zoom in. Ooh, all right? We are no stick figure zone, all right? No more. We need them to have some bulk to them, all right? Now, how do we get that bulk? A couple of different ways. You can do the lines, okay, kind of like just the joints, which I'm going to kind of show you just joints. You can bulk them out. So once you get those joints, I'm going to give them some bulk, all right? Another way you can do is do like blocks, or you can make them thin, all right? But they all start this way and then end up one of these ways. Okay, so for this spot, we're going to kind of look at them like this. I'm going to zoom out. There we go. Okay, nice and straightforward. Now joints. What are the main joints? All right, so we need this center line, just like here. This is like where his rib cages are. So a nice straight line. And his head. Shoulders are important. Elbows are important. Okay. His hip is a straight line. Knees and where his ankles are. Okay. All right, so a couple of key factors. Let's go in and let's measure. Using your fingers or your hands, you can kind of see that we've got 1, 2. All right, well, we have about halfway. All right, so the top of the head to the pelvis, and then we have from the pelvis to about the ankles, about halfway. Okay, so we're going to start off, and I want you to copy me on this one, okay? So if you need to, you can pause and just copy. All right. I'm going to put my head. Now, do you know why people do this? It's to show the direction of which the head is going. Okay? All right. So we got this. First one. Shoulders down. Okay. We have where right here is going to go. Okay. Another great thing to do is I tend to sometimes put like a little stop right there. They're like the hips, okay? You want to make them kind of right underneath the actual shoulders. All right. Let's see. These knees are below, so I'm going to go joint here, joint here. Well, this guy's feet are all weird. Okay. So I have another one here, another here. All right. So let's start connecting them. All right. Not bad, right? Let's get in some arms. Let's notice this. Look at this one joint. A little bit above. Okay, so joint here, joint here. Another joint here, another joint. Looks kind of long, but it's okay. All right, let's bulk them up. Now, this is up to you. I'm going to put in circles because what I tend to do is I tend to think of people, all right, as round. Okay, you're probably hearing the music. Beautiful, right? Now, by the way, you want to make sure that these are all light because we're going to end up, erasing. All right, so we're going to put in some shoes. I tend to put in like little mounds, all right? Now, this right here would be a regular person, okay? So if I went in and I was like, oh, you know what? I want to put in some clothes. Okay. Put in pants. Up here, let's put in a shirt. Okay. And a shirt over it. This guy is very muscular. And a head. Alright. Looks pretty good. Would look obviously much better if we erased all the inside, but right now I'm not worried about that, okay? All right, first box, okay? This one, we're just doing the, you know what, let's call it skeleton, okay? And muscles. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for like the joints and everything and some muscles. It could be round muscles or it could be flat. This one, let's do skeleton and muscles in here. By the way, move them around. Do in different positions for these, okay? And draw small. This one, all right, ready? This one I want clothes. Okay, so this one you're going to have to draw lightly in order to get to put some clothes on it, all right? If you want to do face, great. If you don't, that's okay, all right? Different positions. So I'm going to zoom out. Let's review. Then we have the skeleton, which is kind of like this, okay? Puts all the joints in. Muscle, you can either do it squares, thin, or round, up to you. Okay, so I would probably put another bowl right there, okay? So we need them. If you were doing the clothes, you probably would just outline it, okay? Put in around, but erase the inside, all right? Because it's a guideline. You're like, boy, this one's complicated. You know what? Believe it or not, it will get a lot easier, okay? And that's all you need to do for this one. When you're done, please upload this into Seesaw, and great job on page 4.